Today, we are making loaded, twice-baked potatoes. And honestly, I don't know why we don't make these more often because they are so awesome. Now we're going to start with a couple of big, fat russet potatoes, scrubbed clean. And then what you want to do now is poke a few holes in them with a sharp knife. And this is going to release the steam as they cook so they don't explode in the oven. Yeah, I've seen it happen. Now, rub them all over with a little canola oil. Then onto a foil-lined sheet pan and into a 400-degree oven for about 65 minutes, depending on how big your potatoes are. Also, you may want to cook your bacon about now as well. You'll need about 3 thick slices. Now you want your potatoes to be good and done. Poke them with a knife just to be sure. And the reason you bake them at 400 is to get the skin a little crispy to form those shells. Now you need to do this next step when they're hot. So hold them with a kitchen towel and carefully slice off the top 1/3 of the potatoes. And by the way, don't lose this top piece as we will use it later. Using a big spoon, carefully scoop out the hot potato flesh into a mixing bowl. Be careful not to puncture the skin. Oh, don't forget to scoop the flesh out of the tops as well. Now to the potato stuff you scooped out, start by adding 3 tablespoons of cold, cubed, unsalted butter. And then fold everything together with a spatula and don't mash it. You don't want gummy potatoes. And leaving a little texture as well is good. Note to self, use a bigger bowl next time. Start adding a little of the cream warmed in a microwave. That's better than using cold, as you want the potatoes to remain warm. More folding, more butter, more cream. By the way, the ingredients are listed below in the description. Add about 1/3 cup of shredded white cheddar cheese to the party, some chopped chives, some cooked bacon. Save a little bacon and chives for the garnish. And now, more gentle folding. Now keep in mind, add what you want to your twice-baked potatoes because it's entirely up to you. Now season with some kosher salt and some fresh cracked black pepper to taste. I'll fold everything in again to get everything mixed evenly and nice and friendly. Now, one of the most important parts, taste them, as they need to taste just like you want them right now. Now let's get to stuffing these things. Take the tops you cut off. I'm borrowing this technique from Chef John. Place them in the bottoms of the potato skins. It's an old food styling trick to give them more height just because it looks better that way. Now spoon the mixture into the potato skins, dividing evenly, of course, between the 2 shells. Take your time and shape them nice and rounded with a spoon. I guess you could also use a pastry bag and pipe them in nice and fancy, maybe next time. Place them on a foil-lined sheet pan, and now take a fork and make little ridges all over the surface. It's going to help give it a nice browned appearance when you bake them again. Brush the tops with some melted butter. This is going to help with browning as well. Maybe a little paprika if you want. And place them in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees until nice and golden brown. You know, this just elevates a plain baked potato to fanciness and greatness. Top with more of the good stuff, and there you have fully loaded twice-baked potatoes. All the ingredients are listed below in the description. And hey, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. Also the like and the bell button to be notified of new posts.